All right, now I'm going to reflect this triangle over the line. And you know, it's nice to have just a quick little visual of it before you actually do it. But just imagining that this distance from there to the line has to flip over to the other side. E is going to stay the same conveniently because it doesn't have any distance that it has to move. F is going to take, I'm going to take that distance and flip it over. And I just have to make sure that those distances are perpendicular to the line that I do. So I'm going to start with point D here. You know, it's funny when I think about doing this, I think about my hands, and I wish that I had George Costanza hands. I don't know if you know the George Costanza episode from Seinfeld, a classic, but that's what I need. I need George Costanza hands. So anyway, so there's the distance, 0.4. Now I'm going to be slick a little bit because I know I got to go onto the other side. So I'm going to flip this over. And so two things I have to keep in mind. That if it's going to be perpendicular, the little tick marks that are on the protractor, those have to stay in line with the line that I'm reflecting over so that it's going to be perpendicular. And then the distance that I'm getting here, that's about 0.5, maybe a little bit shy of 0.5. So that means it's got to move 0.5 to the other side. So I could say he's going to move to just a little bit shy of 1 centimeter. So that distance is congruent to that distance. Those distances are equal. So that's point D prime. This is also going to be point E prime. He's not moving. And then for point F, again, make sure it's perpendicular so that these little tick marks are lined up. And that's looking like it's a distance of 2.8. So I need to go another 2.8 onto the other side, which would make it at 2.8 times 2 is like 5.6. So right there is 5.6, and I'm calling that point F prime. And again, I know I'm losing some accuracy, but it's the best that I can do for right now. So I'm going to connect, and there's the image triangle, D prime, E prime, F prime. Again, how close am I? I'm kind of close.